channel. It is me, Love Nails Nicole, and today is finally day 25. Merry Christmas. And I hope everybody had a really good Christmas. So yeah, finally my last video. All I did was do an unboxing of something I wanted. I was dropping hints to my mother, and so she went out and got it for me. I had no clue. I've always wanted one, and as you can see, it's a facial sauna. So it is the it's a sauna facial warm steamer. It opens pores for deep cleansing. So like you put your face down in there, whatever. So I cannot wait to use this. So I thought I would do an unboxing, show you guys what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and open the box and let's see what it looks like. So while I'm doing this, y'all, she found this at, if you guys have it in your area or if you heard of it, it's called Aldi's, A-L-D-I-S, Aldi's grocery store, and this is where she found it at. It was $14.99. Really good price, because I've seen them for like 40 bucks and up, even way like really high prices. So far this is what I took out. And this it has a user manual. Excuse my broken nail, you guys seen those break in my last video. Empty. Alright, this little thing fell out too. And this is the bottom part. Okay, that's it. So that's the bottom. And I'm gonna see if I can get it set up like on the picture. That's the face part. There's another part. Alright, let me see. Oh, there's a facial cone, a nasal cone, and a fill cup. This is the nasal cone, facial cone. This is the fill cup. So I'm just taking a guess because I haven't read through the whole directions, but I'm assuming sit it in there, twist it, and I'm thinking the fill cup you fill with water. Okay, so one fill cup provides 10 to 30 minutes of soothing facial mist. So I guess I will pour it in there, turn it on, and let's see. Show you guys. So you put your face down in here like this, or you put it here. Not all the way in there. Like that. And then you take that one off and put the nasal one on, which is cool too. Clean out your nasal passages. I'm thinking this one goes in here this way, and something like this or this. I assume that's how that one looks. Has a little groove here, I assume for your chin to go down in or something. It's really cute. You know what, y'all? I think I'm going to read the directions a little bit, see how it works, and I will turn it on so you guys can see exactly how it works. So give me 1 second, I'll be right back. So I've got it all set up. I had to remove this fill with water. I filled it with water to this line, and I still needed a little bit more, so I put a little bit more in here. That's why there's some left. But in the inside there's a fill line. You replace this on it, turn and lock it in place. Turn it on. This light blinks until when it's ready, it stops. It makes a beeping sound, and the green lights up, letting you know the timer is going. I put it on 3 minutes, and I don't know if you guys can see that steam coming out. So it's ready to go. So what it says is put on some eye cream and a little moisturizer around your eyes and a little on your face while you're steaming. In between steaming, kind of lift up, you know, get some air. Don't stay in it too, you know, stay down in there very long. I think it said don't put your face on directly on the rim, but you know, in the groove down in here. While the steam is going. And you also do the same with the nose, and you can also do neck and throat, as you see here at the bottom. But it says give special care to eye area during your facial by lightly massaging moisturizer or eye cream on eyelids and under your eyes beforehand. For neck and throat, apply your favorite moisturizer to entire face. So I am going to, and it says it here too for doing the facial to put eye cream around the eye area, lightly pat. So let me grab me some moisturizer. I'm going to do that, and I'm going to put my face in it, see how this works. Before my timer goes out, and turn it up. So it says don't touch the rim, so I'm just going to put my face up to the rim, and I have to close my eyes during this, so I hope I'm capturing this at a good angle. Let's see. Hey guys, so yeah, I really like it. Let me turn it off. Alright, so now I turned it off. I'm definitely going to be using this. I don't know how often you can use it. I'm going to have to read through here a little bit more to see if it says only use it a certain amount of times a week or something like that. But it feels really, really good. Love it. I'm so happy to have this because y'all know I'm a facial girl. You've seen my videos where I've shared like my facial mask and all that good stuff. So I will definitely be putting this to use. So yeah, that is the Visage, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, facial sauna from Aldi's, $14.99. Comes with 2 different attachments for facial and nose. You can also do neck and throat. Neck, throat, facial, nose. Goes up to, what's the timer? The timer goes up to 15 minutes, which is great. Starts at 3, it goes 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and 15. So yeah, really cute, lightweight, and it has a real long cord too. That's good. So so really quick, I'm going to show you guys just a couple of things. It's nothing fancy, actually. Just a couple things my mom has got me in my little cute penguin Christmas bag. If you guys, I don't even know what I was about to say anymore. But this is one of the things she got me, and it's just those little small loofahs. Now these I don't like to wash up with for body loofahs, but what I like to use them for is for like when I'm doing my pedicure and I have like a foot scrub or a foot soap or whatever, you know, if I want to scrub my feet after taking them out of my foot sauna, I like to scrub with the loofahs. And then even with the small loofahs, I also will put my nail scrub on the loofahs and like scrub my nails and under the nails and just like give my hand a good scrub. If I'm using like an exfoliating scrub on my hands, the small loofahs are really good for that. She got me this winterberry hand lotion. I'm not exactly sure where this is from. I want to say Walgreens, but I'm not sure. It looks like it, but whatever. These were $1 and it smells good. Winterberry hand lotion. So that's something I'm going to keep on my nail table. She also got me a pack of nail files, 3-pack. They're really cute. Show. There we go. Aren't those cute? More files like I need them, huh? Y'all know I have hundreds of nail files. She got me this pack of fresh baked face and body wipes. And as you can see, they all match. So wherever she got them from, they were all from the same little spot. But these I can keep on my nail table as well. These will come in handy like when I'm doing makeup and stuff. I can just pull a little wipe out, wipe off my brush or something. She also got me a cuticle remover. I can always use these, and this is one of my favorite kinds. I don't know if it's going to show the tip. Yeah, I like these. I'm all looking at it. And she got me a facial mask. It's a character face mask. Ooh. It's called New Pore Fresh. It's one panda face mask. This is going to be really cute. I'll probably show you guys when I put this one on. This one, let's see. It's infused with hibiscus. It's paraben free and sulfate free. So it's one sheet in there. Here's what it looks like on the back. Cute little panda. And she got me one polish. One. Because she know I don't need no more. So that's okay. So this one you can find at your local beauty supplies, like that sell hair extensions and all that good stuff. You can find these there. It's called NYNY Beauty Polish, and it is a really light blue. It looks like it's either light gray or light blue. I think it's a blue. Yeah, it's a light blue. I don't know if it's going to capture, but I have a couple of these, like maybe 3 or 4 with these handles, which are really convenient, especially for doing toes. So yeah, that's it, y'all. Thank you guys so much for sticking it out with me through to day 25. I think I did not start my Love NailsMas blogs until day 3 or 4. So I just wanted to make sure that I kept going all the way to day 25. I'm going to try to kick out videos more often than I was, so you guys will see them still coming. And thank you guys so much for always showing support to my channel. If you have not subscribed, this is your first time visiting, please click that subscribe button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up, and turn the notification bell on so you guys will know when I upload my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see y'all again soon.